Hi students. Today we are going to work more on grammar. Yesterday we learned about simple and compound sentences. And today, I just have to find my pen. Today we are going to be working on that as well. However, we're going to be working with conjunctions today, okay? So let's first go ahead and review compound sentences and simple sentences. A compound sentence is made up of two simple sentences joined by a conjunction. Okay? The words and, but, or, so, or and so are conjunctions. A comma comes before the conjunction. So for example, if I wanted to do a practice sentence, I'm gonna quiz you real quick, okay? So I want you to decide if this is a simple sentence or a compound sentence. I have a blue water bottle, which is true. I do have a blue water bottle. Well, blue straw. So I have a blue water bottle. Is this sentence a compound sentence or a simple sentence? Now remember, a compound sentence has two thoughts that are in one sentence joined by a conjunction, okay? And a simple sentence just says one thought and it does not have the words and, or, but, or so in it. So what do you think about this sentence? Simple or compound? I think it is a simple sentence. And if you were thinking that, then you are correct. Right? This is a simple sentence because it just tells one thought, right? It just says, I have a blue water bottle. That's it. It tells one thing, it has one subject, which is I, and one predicate, have a blue water bottle. Now, what about this sentence? I have a blue water bottle, but I also have a pink one. Well, I see that conjunction there, but it is joining the two sentences together. I have a blue water bottle, but I also have a pink one, okay? So do you see how a compound sentence is longer than a simple sentence? And it has a conjunction, which is what we're going to talk about today. Okay, conjunctions are the words and, or, but, and so. All right, we also have our comma that comes before the conjunction. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this problem number 1. So we have to fill in the missing conjunction. I was about to go home, blank, then I heard Mrs. Wade's voice. Do you think we should put and, but, or so in there? I was about to go home and then I heard Mrs. Wade's voice. I was about to go home, but then I heard Mrs. Wade's voice. I was about to go home, or then I heard Mrs. Wayne's voice. Or should it be this one? I was about to go home, so then I heard Mrs. Wade's voice. What do you think? Now for me, I could see that there could be two possible answers here. I could see that you might want to put and. I was about to go home, and then I heard Mrs. Wade's voice. Or you could do but here, which is the one I like a little bit more. I was about to go home, but then I heard Mrs. Wade's voice. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there because this word joins two different ideas. So I was about to go home, but then I heard Mrs. Wade's voice, so I didn't go home. Okay, so those are two different kind of ideas. So that is the word I'm going to put there for that conjunction to complete that sentence. Okay, number 2, do you want to pass out flyers? Blank, do you want to contact the news station? What conjunction do you think goes in this blank? And, but, or so. I think the word or would go perfectly in there. Do you want to pass out flyers or do you want to contact the news station? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put or in there. Number 3, I ran to the store as fast as I could. Blank, I saw lots of people there. Do you think we should put and, but, or so in this blank for the conjunction? Remember, a conjunction is combining the two thoughts. It's combining I ran to the store as fast as I could and the sentence, I saw lots of people there. So what conjunction should go here? I think and should go there. And makes the most sense to be this conjunction for that sentence, to make that sentence a compound sentence. Without a conjunction, so without these conjunction words, if you didn't have them, so if you didn't have this and it just said, I was about to go home, then I heard Mrs. Waite's voice, that is a run-on sentence, which we will talk about tomorrow. So we need a conjunction here, just like for these ones as well. And the last one, it was getting late, blank, I had to go home for the night. The word that goes best here for the conjunction would be so. Okay, so this is the conjunction here. Remember, a conjunction combines two sentences. This is the one sentence, it was getting late. That's a sentence by itself. I had to go home for the night. That is also a sentence by itself. But if you want to combine them into one sentence, you need a conjunction, and this conjunction makes the most sense for that sentence. Okay, so what you are going to do now is go on Seesaw and complete the conjunctions activity. You're only going to have 5. You're going to have 5 different conjunctions and then 5 sentences, and you will have to complete the sentences by putting conjunctions where they should go, just like we did here, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you next time. Bye.